welcome to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today we are going to make Princess Elsa and Anna dolls. How amazing is that? My favourite character is Anna because I think she's just full of energy and so much fun. But Princess Elsa is also very cool because she can turn things into ice. So we're going to start off with a blue circle around 10 centimetres wide. And we're going to fold that blue circle in half, just like this. And then we are going to fold just a small piece over just like this. And the same again on the other side, like so. And then we're going to fold just here, like this. Can you guess what we're making? And fold again on the other side, like here. And we're going to do that 4 times. So if you need a moment to pause the video and have a look at how we did it and re-watch it, you can do that. Now we're going to take some glue and stick on one side here, like so, and then stick one of the other blue circles on top, like this. Have you figured out what we're making yet? I think you have. So I'm going to add some more glue here. And stick another one there. Oh, it's really taking shape, huh? And a little bit more glue. And we'll stick the last one just on top right there. Look at that! I think we made an amazing skirt. And we did the same with dark blue. So we're going to take this white piece of paper and we are going to draw on Princess Elsa's head and shoulders and her hair. You have to be really good at drawing for this. Very careful because we've got to get Elsa's signature hair just perfect. There we go, there's Princess Elsa's outline. And Now we're going to do the same with Princess Anna. They may be sisters, but they look very different. If you think drawing Princess Anna or Elsa is going to be really, really hard, you can always trace another picture. I always find hands are the hardest thing to draw. What about you? Which part do you find hardest to draw? Oh, look at that! We've got both our outlines of both Princess Anna and Princess Elsa, and they look amazing. I can't wait to add all the other parts to this. So we're going to colour them in now. We're going to use obviously the signature colours for Princess Elsa, but you can choose any colours that you like. Very light kind of beigey pink for the skin colour, but again you can use any colours you like. Careful to stay in the lines when colouring in so that your character looks just right. I'm going to take a nice darker blue here just to add some fine detail onto the dress. add some silvery grey to make the beautiful cape that she wears. And a little bit of light blue onto the cape for some nice design. Then we're going to take our scissors with our parents' permission and guidance, and we're going to cut up Elsa into small pieces and add her to the blue skirt that we made earlier. We will add her body onto her skirt and her cape onto her skirt, just like this. See what we're doing? Wow, amazing. Now we're going to do the same with Anna. So we're going to colour Anna in. Take that nice same light beigey pink for her face and skin. Take a nice orangey colour for her hair. Add a little bit more fine detail with some brown. Get some nice dark purple for her cape. A little bit of black for some fine detail. Make sure to stay in those lines so that our characters can look the best they can be. And then just add a little bit of light blue onto her sleeves. A little bit of silvery pencil for some design. A little bit of purple pen. And we finish off her cape. And a little bit of colour for the inside of the cape. And then we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to cut up Princess Anna and then stick her body to the skirt we made earlier in the dark blue. We'll add cape on as well, just like this. Perfect. Look at that. Simple. Made your very own Elsa and Anna dolls. Let's see what you can do. I cannot wait to see your submissions. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. This part of the episode is where we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts that you have sent in. Today's artwork was sent in by Chloe, and Chloe has drawn us a beautiful green leaf. Well done, Chloe! If you would like to send in photos of your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch our new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!